Alright, lesson number 10. We're looking at finding products where we have difference of two squares given as such. So what happens is, there you see 3 square root 2x, 3 square root 2x. 2 square root 3y, 2 square root 3y. The values are the same in both brackets, but one is a negative and one is a positive. This is referred to as difference of two squares. Alright, so problem number 1, we'll always start with a simpler problem. Square root 5, square root 5, so you can see there in blue, those are the same. Square root 45 and square root 45 in purple, the same. One is positive and negative, so in short, we multiply first term with first term, last term with last term. So that would become first law, place them under 1 square root, 5 times 5. Positive times negative gives me negative. Square root 45 times square root 45 under 1 square root 45 times 45. 5 times 5 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 45 times 45 is square root of 45 squared, would simply give me 45. My timetable is almost left me there. Right, 5 minus 45 would then give me negative 40. Right, 1 mark there for correct multiplication each. Simplification 1 mark and 1 mark for the answer. Go problem number 2. Right, again difference of two squares. As you can see, that one I've shown you in the beginning. So there 3 times 3. Square root 2x times square root 2x simply becomes 1 big square root 2x times 2x. Negative times positive would become negative. 2 times 2. Square root 3y times square root 3y simply becomes square root 3y times 3y. So 2 marks there for correct distribution. 3 times 3 gives me 9. 2 times 2, 4. X times x, x squared. Negative 2 times 2 would give me 4. 3 times 3 is 9, and y times y gives me y squared. So square root 4x squared. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of x squared is x. Negative 4, square root of 9 is 3, square root of y squared is y. 9 times 2x gives me 18x. 4 times 3y gives me the negative 12y. Again, you can see 2 marks distributive law, 1 mark simplification, 1 mark final answer. Alright, go next problem. Alright, difference of two squares. Now first given to you as a rational exponent. Right, so we have 2 minus square root 12 over 2 times 2 plus square root 12 over 2. They are half. Remember, the 1 goes on the inside and the 2 outside. So this is just a different way of writing. Square root, any square root is to the power half. That there is square root. 2 and 2, as you can see, is the same. Those two are the same, negative and positive, difference of two squares. Apply law 1, place everything under 1 square root because they're the same. And now we multiply the two brackets. 2 times 2, 4, negative times positive, negative. Square root 12 times square root 12 would give me 12. 2 times 2 would give me 4. Assuming now 12 minus, or 12 divided by 4 would give me 3. 4 minus that 3 would then give me 1. So square root of 1 equal 1. If you're enjoying the lesson so far, please like, share and subscribe. Say I'm doing all of this to assist you. This is what I'm good in. This is what I love doing. Alright, if you look at the third one, we have square root 4 plus square root 12 times square root 4 minus square root 12. Again, you should see there, according to the color coordination, that the terms are the same in both brackets. Right, so law 1 states, because it's square root and square root, I can write it as 1 square root and multiply the two items. So 4 plus square root 12 times 4 minus square root 12. So 4 times 4 would then positive times negative gives me negative square root 12 times square root 12, all represented under 1 square root. Right, 4 times 4 gives me 16. 12 times 12 is 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So 16 minus 12 would give me 4. And the square root of 4 then would give me 2. Right, 2 marks there for writing it under 1 square root and multiplying the two terms. Another 2 marks for correct multiplication out. 1 mark there for simplification and 1 mark for the final answer. Right, hope you enjoy the lesson.